Today I will show you how to graft or to cutting this plant. Yes, you see with us before I just grafting around 1 month or now it's growing root, but I just cut more to support the plant to coming like this. So I will cut from there, okay, from here, and then the another plant will grow from there. So just cut, okay, see like this. Okay, this is will have around we will cut three more leaf, three more like this. Okay, see with us, and I will show you how to cut with this. Yeah, this is from there. Yeah, this is from there as well. Just cut, and like this. This is, and one will grow later. I just put the soil here, and sorry for cut like this. Just and to protect the waters, and to protect just like this, and then the another will grow. Yeah, this one is up to you. You just cut and like this, and three more. Yeah, three more. Okay. Okay, three more like this. Okay. Three more like this. And then I just cut some leaves and like this. That's where just cut like this. Okay. And easy to grow with this one. Like sorry for in English. There's some they can call rose. This rose flower or the kind of frangipani, and then that's where, and then this one, this one, and I just put soil in the small one, the first sample, but it's a sample soil, and this is they take from the drainage. Again, easy this one to grow. This one, okay, and after, and then just put, but no need the hormone root to support. No, not chemical. Just like this. Easy this one. Don't worry. But I should not keep all full sunshine, just half sun and half shadow. Yeah, half sun and half shadow. Okay. Easy. Half sun and half shadow. And then thank you for all the support. I will, if you subscribe, we will have more video, and don't forget to subscribe to get more video and for the gardening. Yeah, thank you.